Hi, everyone. This is week 3. I hope you had a fun and safe holiday weekend. We successfully completed and uploaded our test 1. So far, the scores look pretty good. This week, we will investigate graphing coordinates and linear equations with two variables, chapters 4.1 and 4.2, graphing linear equations and intercepts, which is chapter 4.3, and slope of a line, chapter 4.5. Then we'll conclude with using slope-intercept form of linear equations, which is chapter 4.5. Please review the specific week 3 learning outcomes, as always, and the sample schedule, which I placed in the weekly overview page. For time management, to achieve the learning outcomes, you'll need to read through the free OpenStax textbook, take notes, watch the instructional videos, and complete the homework assignments for chapters 4.1 to 4.5. Next, at the bottom of the week's module, you'll see 2 lab assignments, a new discussion, and another quiz. Do not forget to attend a minimum of 2 of Naraya's lab support sessions on Zoom each week. They're very helpful. Do not hesitate to reach out to me for assistance, and have a wonderful week.